Essential oils for stretch marks. 1. Geranium Essential Oil. This oil is said to be used for cancerous tumors by ancient Egyptians, and is considered to be one of the most effective oils for stretch marks today. It boosts elastin fiber and collagen production, thus improving the skin's elasticity. 2. Frankincense Essential Oil. This oil has powerful anti-scarring properties and heals the scars very effectively. Frankincense Essential Oil stimulates tissue repair and prevents its damage, thereby gradually fading the stretch marks. 3. Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender oil is so versatile that it can be used in almost any beauty recipe. It helps with dark spots, skin rashes, stretch marks, and cellulite. 4. Helichrysum Essential Oil. Traditionally, Helichrysum Essential Oil was used in Africa to treat rheumatism. And while there are around 500 species of Helichrysum plant, essential oil is obtained only from a few of them. Helichrysum Essential Oil can nourish the skin and improve its elasticity because it penetrates the skin easily. It repairs the cells and stimulates tissue regeneration by encouraging the growth of new cells. 5. Patchouli Essential Oil. Patchouli oil has thick consistency and pleasant smell. Due to its powerful cell regeneration properties, it is very effective for damaged tissue repair and promotion of cell growth. 6. Jasmine Essential Oil. Jasmine oil originates from India and China, and is valued for its scent and medicinal properties. It is effective in dealing with dry skin, normalizing skin oiliness, improving skin elasticity, fading stretch marks, and preventing the formation of scars. A note about safety. If you want to prevent the appearance of pregnancy stretch marks, you need to start using essential oils early. But keep in mind that the majority of essential oils are not to be used during pregnancy or breastfeeding, therefore, you need to consult your doctor before using them. Jasmine essential oil should be avoided completely during pregnancy. In case of some serious health issues, like epilepsy or asthma, consult your doctor before using essential oils. Don't use essential oils in large amounts. Always dilute them in carrier oil before use, 2 drops of essential oil per 1 teaspoon of carrier oil.